Hi guys. Denise got a wobbly tooth like that wobbly. Show it. Come on. Yeah, like that, huh? She got a wobbly tooth here. This one. Is it this one? Yeah, there. See that, guys? See? It's moving. I cannot see it. You cannot see it. Yeah, that's wobbly. That one. So I'll show. This is how we do it in Philippines. We don't need to wait for a thread. A thread. Nah. Gara, ha? Okay, dali. Okay. What we do is tie this, make a round, make a loop like that. And then, if it's really too soft already, I mean very wobbly, and then we'll do that. Where is it? Maybe we get the wrong one. So, we have to tie it there. Wait. Dad, I'm taking video. So, it's very hard. It should be. Open your mouth wide. Like that. That's what we did in Philippines. Like that. And then tighten it really hard. And then do that. Like that. That's how we do it. I just tie and then pull it like that. And then I was like, me. And then, when mama do it like that, naghikot-hikot ana. Si story rin, worry ana. Where's my tooth? Like that.
What did she say?
But here, we're not allowed to do that.
What
I mean,
did she say?
we have to wait.
What did she say? What did she
She's just
say?
talking me anything. Okay? It's just to show you guys.
What did you say? What
Bye.
did she say?